So today I got a mini split. It's a Daikin Mini split. It was leaking water. Wife didn't know why, so I went to take the cover off. Let me flip this around. Up here on top, there's 3 of these little latches, and that's why I couldn't get the cover off. It's because I couldn't get up here. Because originally I used a short ladder, so I had to go out and get a really tall ladder to get it off. Once I got it off, though, we had to figure out where the drainage is. So, I don't know if you can... Back here in that corner right there, there is a little bitty hole, and we had a hell of a time trying to get that to drain. So, what I finally came up with was... Can you come here and hold the camera, babe? What I finally came up with is this here. This is a 76 millimeter. Is that right? And it's a little air hose. So if you record for a second.
Where am I recording?
You're recording your hand apparently. So we got this here. I got 5 feet of it. I got 2 feet and it wasn't long enough. If you can stick that in that little hole right there, you can turn it, and it is flexible enough where you can actually push it through. And then I had the wife go out on the outside to make sure it was draining, and she's seen the hose out there. So I just pushed that all the way through, pulled it out, and then there was still water in there. Take this, babe. There was still water in there. So, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's still water in the channel. So we took a wife's toothbrush. She buys extras. So we took hers to make it an old one. And I cleaned out this entire channel in here. And then we sucked it out, filled it up with water. And there was still water in there, but it was draining. So apparently it has to have so much water in there before it can get to that neck. The way they designed it, because water goes downhill, not up. So you will see a little bit of water in that channel. But you will just make sure that that there is cleaned out and you won't have any more water. Because the water just leaks out of here when it fills up. And that's clogged, there's nowhere to go. It'll just drip out of here. So if you're having a problem, if your mini split or ductless air conditioner heater is leaking, more than likely you just have a clogged drain. So I hope that helps you guys. Until next time, like and subscribe, and God bless.